Okay, so for the Google Doc badges, I'm going to teach you how to use the add-on that I chose, which is table of contents. So you're going to find it underneath the tab of add-ons, and then you're going to say show in sidebar, and it's going to pop up right on your right, and you can change the heading number format. So you can change it this way or this way, or as is, or none. And then you can display level up to 6. And because I only have lectures and lab, which are two of the headers that I have, it doesn't really change. But if I had more headers, then it's easier for me to find it and find the specific ones that I do need. This will be very helpful for me when teaching or writing things for my PLC group, to tell them to find where to find my certain things that I've written when writing a lesson plan out. And that is that badge.